Previously ang ginawa natin is pinakita natin yung kung paano yung magiging itsura ng mga lines sa drawing with this direction, north, east, south, and west. So ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-plot ng lote pero kailangan muna nating i-convert yung distance natin na meter into millimeter. Kasi yung units kasi natin na naset nung una is naka-units naka-millimeter tayo. So, naka-millimeter tayo. So, anyway, i-multiply lang naman natin yan ng by 1,000. Para hindi tayo malito, so maglagay tayo ng ah, another table. So, dito, this is meter to millimeter. Anyway, ito multiply lang natin ng by 1,000, so that is 6,010. Then next is 8,320, then another 6,010, then another 8,320. So, yan na yung gagamitin natin. Now, gagawin na rin natin yung formula na ita-type natin sa AutoCAD habang dino-drawing ng AutoCAD yung mga bearings and distances ng different lines. So, magdagdag ulit tayo ng isa pa. Eto kahit hindi nyo nadagdagan doon sa mismong gagawin ninyo, eto lang lines, bearing, and distance. Eto lang naman kasi is for demonstration purpose lang nun. Kailangan lang nating i-ano, okay. So, kuha na lang natin dito. So, formula, then dito we will start at, then we get the distance 6,010 less than our bearing south 84 degree. So, dito hindi mo na kailangang ilagay yung symbol, instead letter D na lang, okay. Then 35 minutes west, enter. At ulit, distance 8,320 less than north 06 degree 33 minutes west. Then another one from line 3 to 4 at 6,010 less than north 84 degree 35 minutes east. Okay. Then our last line, which is 4 to 1 at 8,320 less than south 06 degree 34 minutes east. So that will be our bearing and distances. So ito yung formula. Ito lang yung gagamitin natin na ita-type natin sa command na polyline, okay. So, click lang natin yung lot line, polyline tayo or simply type PL, then mag-umpisa na tayo dito. So, for example, dito tayo, then type natin at our first distance 6,010 less than south 84 degree 35 minutes west, enter. Then at ulit, at wag kayong mag-escape kasi kailangang dire-diretso. So at 8,320 less than north 06 degree 33 minutes west, then enter. Then we have our line 3 to 4, 6,000 at ulit 6,010 less than north 84 degree 35 minutes east, then enter. Okay. napansin mo ba nag-ano na ako, gumawa ulit. So, our last line which is 4 to 1 at ulit at 8,320 less than south 06 degree 34 minutes east. Then close. Then or enter. Then escape tayo para aalis na tayo sa command na polyline. Okay. Zoom in natin 'to. So, kapag sinum in mo 'yan, merong gap. In actual surveying, hindi talaga nagtatama 'yan. Nahihirapang magtama 'yan. So, huwag niyo nang pansinin kung hindi magko-close 'yan. Okay? So, next na gagawin is we're going to check kung tama nga itong ginawa natin. So, kunin natin 'to. Ito yung unang first part noon. So, i-check lang natin kung tama. So, yung first line natin which is lines 1 and 2, south going to west, that is 84 degree. So, southwest, so 0, so this is pagpalagay mo sa gitna is 45. So, ito yung approximately 84 degree. Okay, so tumama. Okay, tama. Our next line is northwest 6 degree. So, north going to west, so ito yon, tama ulit. Then we have the third line, north 84 degree east, so northeast 84. So, northeast, so 84, approximately yan yung 84 natin kasi in-estimate lang natin. So, tama naman. Okay? Yan yung 3. Halos mag-parallel sila. Then we have last line which is 4 to 1, south 6 degree going to east. So, south going to east, pa ganon. So, ito yung 6 degree. Okay? So, tumama tayo. So, yung next na gagawin natin na next video is lalagyan naman natin ng description lahat ng line. Okay? So, thank you for watching.